This is just a bit of a live demo. So 2 bangs, didn't do it, so bugger it, put the machine on it, eh? You go, push another hose.
Oh, is this machine you're talking about?
So, fuckload of belting.
Thanks again, Mark, for investing in the QuikBrace.
No worries, mate.
And yeah, thanks again to Josh and the boys, Braden, up at Marquise Flooring. How were they to deal with?
Yeah, perfect, mate. No problem.
Good to deal with? That's the way.
2 minutes on the phone, credit card, bang, done.
And how long was it till I rang you to double check your fittings?
A couple of hours.
Couple of hours. Wow, service like that, eh?
Yeah,
Well,
it's been good, mate.
awesome. Okay, I hope you enjoy it.
All right, thanks, Paul.
Thank you.